What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. Thank you so much for stopping by. As you can see by the title, I'm making two simple egg recipe. Come along with me. Let I show you how I make this recipe. Sister J's way, Sister J's version, and Sister J's style. So I'll be making two simple egg recipe. Here I have the spinach, the eggs, the bell pepper, some parsley, and I'll be using milk and Parmesan cheese along with some black pepper. So here I remove the eyes from the eggs. And this is the milk that I'll be using. So now I'm adding some black pepper to the eggs. I'm adding the milk. And then now is the Parmesan cheese. And I'm just beating this all up. I'm adding the spinach. And now I'm adding the bell peppers and the parsley. Sista J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. I just start cooking and for do it every time. I'm just gonna mix this all up. I'm not adding any salt to this because the cheese is already salty. So now I'm preparing my pan. I'm gonna spray them with some olive oil. Share with my friend them, comment, like, Sista J, real top chef that I fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it day in the Sista J. No, I'm just adding the mixture to the pan. So please subscribe. I just start cooking and for do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like, Sista J, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like, Sista J, real top chef that I fuck. So these are the small muffin pans. They're not the regular size. Sista J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. I just start cooking and for do it every time. Share with my friend them. Okay guys, so here's the remaining of the mixture that I'm gonna be using for the other recipe. So if you're here and you're not yet connected with me, please hit that red subscription button and turn the post notification bell on, so you'll be notified of future uploads. So guys, here is the muffin. It's pretty, very colorful, looks delicious. Yes guys, my egg cups are egg muffin. I might say egg and spinach. Looking good guys, looking good. And you know, I'm adding some tomatoes to this. Yes, perfect breakfast recipe. Now it's time to do the other one. So here I have a bagel, and I'm taking out the middle part of the bagel. Yes. So guys, as I said, this is too easy, simple recipe. So I have the pot on the fire and I'm just spraying it with a little olive oil. And you can also use butter, but olive oil is my choice right now. And now I'm adding the rest of mixture to my bagel. Yes.
Subscribe. Remember, Chap, this attack. Sista J, the food tastes nice. The food tastes nice.
Simple, easy recipe. Now I'm flipping the bagels and I'm just gonna press so the egg can distribute evenly on the bread, on the bagel. Yeah, still bread. Yeah, just press it. Yes. Look at that. And then just flip them around. Yeah. So I flip them like twice. And this is the finishing product. And look at it. And now I'm just gonna slice my sandwich. And there you have it. I'm gonna add some tomato to this also to complete my sandwich. I'm just gonna put the tomato on. Yes, guys, this is an easy recipe. Yes. Hi, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good. One love, guidance, more blessings. Yeah, man.
Sista J, the food tastes nice. Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment. Sista J, the food tastes nice. Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sista J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook, all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sista J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the